Imagine a world painted in impossible colors, vibrant yellows, fiery reds, and stark blacks. This is Io, Jupiter's moon, and the most geologically active object in our solar system. Volcanoes dominate its landscape, spewing sulfur and gas hundreds of kilometers into space. The surface is a chaotic patchwork of fresh lava and ancient, frozen plains. Despite its distance from the sun, Io's interior is a molten sea, heated by Jupiter's relentless pull. Unlike our moon, Io is violently alive, a world in perpetual torment and transformation. Studying Io lets us witness the raw forces of creation on a planetary scale. Io is a testament to the power and unpredictability of the cosmos.
Our story with Io begins in 1610, when Galileo Galilei pointed his telescope at Jupiter. He wasn't searching for new worlds, but he found them, 4 points of light orbiting the giant planet. These were the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. This discovery shattered the belief that everything revolved around Earth. Io, the innermost moon, was just a speck of light, its secrets hidden for centuries. For hundreds of years, astronomers could only measure its orbit and estimate its size. Its true nature remained a mystery. Io was simply one of Jupiter's companions, part of a miniature solar system. Its proximity to Jupiter was noted, but the implications were unknown. The invention of more powerful telescopes in the 20th century revealed hints of color, yellows and oranges, unusual for a moon. Most moons are gray and lifeless, but Io was different. Still, the real revelation had to wait for space exploration. Only by sending robotic emissaries across the solar system could we see Io as more than a point of light. The journey to understand Io was just beginning. It would take centuries, new technology, and the courage to explore the unknown. Io's story is one of discovery, revolution, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The secrets of fire and fury would remain hidden until humanity reached out across the void. The Galilean moons became a model for our own solar system, but Io's true personality was still waiting to be revealed. The colors seen through telescopes hinted at something extraordinary, but it would take a close encounter to unlock Io's mysteries. The age of exploration was about to transform our understanding of this enigmatic world. Io's journey from a point of light to a world of fire is a testament to human curiosity. Each new discovery brought us closer to the truth. The real story of Io was about to unfold, and it would change our view of the solar system forever. The space age brought us closer to Io than ever before. In the 1970s, Pioneer 10 and 11 flew past Jupiter, capturing the first close-up images of Io. The surface was not gray and cratered, but smooth and strangely colored. The lack of impact craters suggested a surface constantly renewed by active processes. Io's density revealed it was made of rock, not ice like its neighbors. Any water it once had was likely boiled away by intense internal heat. Instead, sulfur and its compounds painted the surface in reds, yellows, and blacks. Vast plains of sulfur dioxide frost created a bizarre, alien landscape. Io's thin atmosphere, mostly sulfur dioxide, is supplied by volcanic eruptions. This gas freezes at night and sublimates in sunlight, creating a dynamic, ever-changing atmosphere. Every new piece of data revealed a world unlike any other moon. Io is profoundly dry, painted with brimstone instead of water. Its surface and atmosphere are in constant flux, tied directly to its volcanic heart. The more we learned, the stranger Io became. It was a world of extremes, defying expectations at every turn. Io was no longer just a point of light, it was a dynamic, alien world. March 1979 marked a turning point in our understanding of Io. Voyager 1 flew past Jupiter, capturing detailed images of Io's bizarre surface. Amidst the chaos, engineer Linda Morabito spotted something extraordinary, a giant plume rising from the moon's edge. It wasn't a hidden moon, but an eruption reaching 300 kilometers into space. For the first time, we saw an active volcano beyond Earth. This discovery shocked the scientific world. Moons were thought to be cold and dead, but Io shattered that belief. Voyager 1 found 8 erupting plumes. Io was alive. Suddenly, Io became a prime target for scientific investigation. It was a natural laboratory for studying volcanism on a planetary scale. The energy source behind this activity was a mystery. It wasn't just leftover heat or radioactive decay, something else was at work. Voyager's flyby opened a new chapter in planetary exploration. Io's volcanic heartbeat challenged everything we thought we knew. The discovery transformed Io from a curiosity to a world of fire and fury. It showed us that geological activity could thrive in the most unexpected places. The search for answers had only just begun. Io's eruptions were a window into the power of planetary forces. The moon's story was now one of relentless change and discovery. The mystery of Io had only deepened. Io's volcanism is unlike anything on Earth. Massive plume-forming eruptions blast sulfur dioxide and dust hundreds of kilometers high. These plumes blanket the surface in colorful deposits, erasing impact craters. The second type of eruption involves vast flows of silicate lava, hotter and more extensive than anything on Earth. Some lava fields glow at over 1,300 degrees Celsius, creating a hellish landscape. Over 400 active volcanoes keep Io's surface in constant flux. The landscape changes between every mission. Io is never the same twice. Its eruptions are a symphony of chaos and renewal. Io is a living, breathing geological entity. The moon's constant resurfacing is a powerful reminder of the dynamic nature of the cosmos. Each eruption is a testament to the forces shaping this extraordinary world. Io's volcanic activity is a spectacle unmatched anywhere else in the solar system. Among Io's volcanoes, Pele stands out as the most spectacular. Named after the Hawaiian goddess of volcanoes, Pele is a vast volcanic depression with a lake of molten lava at its heart. Its plume rises over 300 kilometers, creating a giant red ring on the surface. This ring, caused by sulfur atoms, is one of Io's largest features. Pele's energy is immense, its lava lake constantly overturning and releasing heat. Studying Pele offers a glimpse into Io's molten interior. It's a symbol of Io's relentless activity, observed to be active every time we've looked. Pele is the crown jewel of Io's volcanic kingdom, a monument to the power of gravity. It is a constant reminder that Io is not just active, but hyperactive. What powers Io's volcanic world? The answer lies in its gravitational dance with Jupiter, Europa, and Ganymede. Jupiter's immense gravity stretches and squeezes Io, creating tidal bulges of solid rock. Io's slightly elliptical orbit, maintained by its neighbors, means this bulge is constantly shifting. The result is tidal heating, friction that melts Io's interior and powers its volcanoes. Io is caught in a relentless tug-of-war, kneaded like dough by gravitational forces. This process generates enough energy to turn a cold moon into a volcanic inferno. Gravity, the weakest force, shapes Io in the most dramatic way. Io's fire is a direct result of its place in the solar system. The cosmic dance of creation and destruction is on full display. Io is a living example of gravity's power to transform worlds. Io's atmosphere is as strange as its surface, thin, toxic, and ever-changing. Composed mainly of sulfur dioxide, it's constantly replenished by volcanic eruptions. In sunlight, sulfur dioxide frost sublimates, thickening the atmosphere. In darkness, it freezes and collapses. Jupiter's magnetic field strips away tons of material, forming a glowing plasma torus around the planet. This environment is hostile: intense radiation, poisonous gas, and extreme temperatures. Life as we know it is unlikely here, but Io's tidal heating hints at possibilities elsewhere. The same process could keep oceans liquid beneath Europa and Ganymede's icy shells. Io's fiery nature points us toward other worlds that might harbor life. Even in its hostility, Io expands our understanding of where life could exist. Io was a revolution, a world that rewrote the rules of planetary science. Its discovery introduced tidal heating, changing our search for habitable worlds. Io shows that warmth and activity don't require proximity to a star. It's a laboratory for studying planetary processes in real time. Future missions may reveal even more about its interior and volcanic power. Io reminds us that the universe is full of surprises and challenges our assumptions. It is a beacon of activity in the cold outer solar system, a testament to gravity's power. Io is not just a moon, it's a source of wonder and a promise of discoveries yet to come.